To use your airline credits on Expedia, start by opening the official Expedia.com website and signing into your account. If you don't have an account, create a new one. Once logged in, you'll be on the Expedia homepage, where you can discover new destinations, find hotels, and more. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you'll find a Use an Expedia Coupon button under the Help section. Click on this button, and a new page will open with a Book a Flight using an airline credit option. Select this option to view the steps on how to use your airline credit. To redeem your credit, go to the Coupons and Credits section for your airline, which can be found in your account. Click on Coupon and Credit, choose the credit you want to use, and follow the instructions. Your available credits will be listed, and you can select the one you want to use. By following these simple steps, you can easily use your airline credits on Expedia.